Back everyone, maybe in a situation where for some reason your iPhone is having these vertical lines across the screen of them. So whether they look something like this, I just did a quick Google search. There can be a few ways to fix this, but ultimately if you recently dropped your phone, if you threw it and it randomly cracked or it randomly started doing this, you really don't have much of a choice other than pretty much taking your phone into Apple and having them take a look at it and fixing it. Nowadays, if you have an iPhone 12 or 13, you can also repair yourself, but it really isn't that much cheaper and it could probably be more expensive if you do it that way. So the best bet is probably just taking your phone straight into Apple, having them take a look at it, and having them pretty much repair the display that way. So if it looks something like this, that is probably the first thing I'd recommend doing. However, there can be some situations to say, I've personally been in this situation too, where my phone would randomly have some, vertical display issue as well. So all I would have to do here was pretty much power off my iPhone. So go and hold down the buttons to power down your device, go and select power off, and then I would go ahead and power back on my device, and sometimes it would just go away. If you're in that same boat, that's probably what I would recommend doing, and that may end up fixing it too. I would always have random lines on the side right here, and by doing that, it would randomly fix it, which I never really understood why. But another thing I'd recommend doing, if you don't think it's a hardware problem, is to actually update your iPhone. So make your way over to your settings application like this. You want to scroll down into general, which is right here. You want to click software update, and all you want to do is go ahead and update your iPhone. Now you can see there's a little update available. So what you can do is click download and install. And what I would recommend doing here is download and installing this update, and that may end up fixing your issue as well. So those are a few different ways to fix it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.